What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope. Shout out on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today I want to talk about why I picked up the Zoom H1n in 2024. They also have a newer version of this model, which is the H1e, and I will also leave a link down in the description below to where you can pick this up. The only big difference between the older H1n and the newer H1e is that the H1e allows you to do 32-bit recordings. So what is 32-bit recordings? That means you have more dynamic range. So I want to talk a little bit about my setup before getting the Zoom H1n. I also want to talk a little bit about the preamps in this particular device as well. So before I would use my microphone, I have a Rode smartlav Plus and I typically plug that into my phone. But what I realized is that I get a lot of noise and I wanted something with a better preamp. And that's exactly what the Zoom H1n has provided me with, a better preamp. So not only is the price good, but also the preamp for this device is really good. So there's something that is very important to understand if you want to replicate this setup. So the Rode smartlav Plus comes with a TRRS connection, and that means you're able to plug it into your smartphone. But if you are wanting to plug it into something such as a Zoom H1n or H4n, you are going to want to pick up another adapter, and I'm going to leave the link in the description below as well. But basically, you're going to need a TRRS to TRS adapter. So for this video that you're watching right now, I currently have my smartlav Plus, and I have that plugged into the 3.5mm jack on the Zoom H1n. Right now, I'm recording the audio separately on the Zoom H1n, and then I'm gonna sync it in post. If you're looking to increase the audio quality for your video, then you're definitely gonna wanna click those links in the description below. So for the price, this is a really great preamp. I would definitely consider checking it out. So if you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for tuning in. We will see you on the next video. We out.